clean, fresh, balance. Our world is priceless place. Having existed for thousands of billion years, it also has life organisms, which other planet misses. Our world is provided by nature, and nature provides us with everything we need. From the materials we use in our homes, to the paper we produce, to the foods we eat on daily basis. This is how the world used to be. Until
this year is unequivocal evidence of climate change.
Scientists say completely unprecedented. Their study concluded that the chances of it happening without man-made climate change was 1 in every 80,000 years.
Climate change is a global problem that will require a global solution.
Nothing we have presented today is going to be easy. It's going to be bloody hard.
In 2018, the Gilets jaunes protests in France were triggered by a rise in green taxes on petrol.
The rainforest is being consumed by fire. In fact, there's an 80% increase in fires just over the last year alone.
In Climate Watch, a new United Nations report warns the impacts of climate change are increasing and inevitable.
Take a look at these pictures showing the smoke from space.
Consequences for nature and humanity are sweeping and severe.
You all come to us young people for hope. How dare you?
climate change is happening. Climate change is real. The Earth is attempting to heal from the calamities that have occurred, but we people are contributing to its downfall. The Earth is becoming hotter and the crops are drying off. The ice caps are melting and the sea level are rising as a result.
The question is, how do we stop this? Instead of burning fossil fuels, we need to convert to renewable energy such as solar and wind power, which emit zero carbon emissions when operating. Energy from the sun and the wind are infinite. Unlike fossil fuels, we will never run out of them. More solar energy falls on the Earth in 1 hour than all the energy that our civilizations consume in 1 year. Civil engineers from the Solutions Project calculated that we could power most of the world with only renewable energy if we just actually decided to do it. If we cut back on deforestation, not only does that reduce the amount of fossil fuels burned, but there will be more plants and forests actively absorbing carbon dioxide. If we use more reusable and renewable resources, this will reduce the amount of energy needed to create new products. This will also reduce the massive amount of landfill dumping that we do. That all sounds like great, efficient, and healthy ideas, but how can I help personally right now? You can drive an electric or fuel-efficient car. Replacing to a regular car with a Toyota Prius, the average person can prevent the emission of about 1 ton of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Now, we all can't afford to just buy new and different cars. So to help, you can walk or bike places, take public transportation, or if anything, ease off the accelerator and make your car as efficient as possible. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. LED light bulbs use only a fraction of the power of incandescent light bulbs. Air dry your clothes instead of using power-guzzling machines like dryers. Turn off electronics or lights when you're not using them. Eat less meat or no meat at all. By replacing an omnivorous diet with a vegan diet, the average person can prevent the emission of about 1.5 tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And of course, spread your knowledge and concerns of climate change. Remember, climate change is very real and is drastically affecting planet Earth, our home. And although we are the problem, we can also be the solution.